And I think this is such an honor for me to give a speech at this occasion. And this time is really special because we will talk about concept of price, cost, and value. The kind of terms that have similarity and in meaning, but actually have many different system conduct evaluation. So I hope that we can use this time to have deeply talk about concept of price, cost, and valuation, and value to widening our perspective about that concept. Last but not least, I hope that today's discussion would be fun and full of learning. I hope that this event will help us to grow our self professionally, and I hope that we can use this occasion to give our perspective and give the meaning for us. Last but not least, I hope that I think that's enough for now. I will leave the rest to Mbak Maspa to start the discussion. And thank you very much for the coming. Thank you, Mbak Maspa.
Thank you, Bu Indri, for delivering the opening speech. We hope, as Bu Indri mentioned earlier, that today's session will give us useful insight, fruitful discussion, and to contribute more to valuation. Honorable friends and colleagues, the time has come for us to start the main agenda, that is TVD group discussion. Before we start our discussion, I will introduce the moderator. That's it, Mas Bayu and Mas Wayan. Good afternoon, Mas Bayu and Mas Wayan.
Good afternoon, Mas Fa.
Yeah, how's your day, Mas Bayu and Mas Wayan?
It's great.
Okay, the time is yours to lead the discussion.
Okay, Mr. Bayu, I will share the screen. Okay. Anybody has seen the screen that we share? Maybe this session, me and Mr. Bayu will start with a little warming up to asking all of you about what is your opinion about price, cost, and value, and then we will be have prepare a little material that will be conducted by Mr. Bayu, and then maybe we can discuss about this tema, and then next. I hope you can join at slido.com. You can join in your phone or in your web browser in PC or laptop on slido.com, and then click enter the code 2855 X91. This is just a little warming up. We want to know about how do you think about that three words. It's a price, cost, and value. If you join, I hope you can join and then give your opinion. What is price? This is still 0 maybe. We anticipate that too much participant, so we we make a try with this concept to give you the same okay. Price is about transaction. One says like that. Maybe another opinion about what is price? Amount of money we spend to get stuff or service. Okay. until now, it's just two participants. Maybe another participant can join the discussion. We will wait 1 minute more. Okay, the meeting of purchasing power and goods or service. So it's the point where the purchasing power meet with the price of goods and service. Maybe next we will can discuss all of this together. Okay, maybe that's all. Maybe and then next, what is cost? What do you think about cost? What we spend? Maybe another have any thought? What is cost? Okay, money to make product service. Our money we need to get acquired to get good ready to use. The amount we spend to acquire good on or service. That's about cost. And then what is value? Value is opinion. So it's opinion can be differ from one person to another person. Maybe anyone have any thought about value? It's about your opinion about something. Okay. How we get after paying something. Okay. Maybe that's the opening for the session. And then next, I will invite Mr. Bayu to give some pointer about what is price, cost, and value. This is your time, Mr. Bayu.
Thank you, Mr. Wayan. Good afternoon, everyone. Maybe I will continue about price, cost, and value that Mr. Wayan has been started. Maybe about three words: price, cost, and value, and we call PCV is the piece concept valuation. Maybe for the first training or first study that we get in high school or maybe in university evaluation, we will get this theme. Price, cost, and value must be known and must be understood from every valuer or every appraiser that want to be a good valuer and good appraiser. Why we study price, cost, and value? Because their words is very important that appraisal and valuer practice in the section. For the example, the valuer on or the appraisal study price, cost, and value to define what is what's the price about the property, and what is the value about the property, and what is the connection about price and value, because in the valuation there is overvalue, fair value, and undervalue, and that is the connection about value and price. And cost and price, there is a connection to example. For the example, the price and the cost, and if the seller want to advantage or gain or get gain, maybe the price will be more or bigger than cost, like that, the symbol. And we as a valuer can be known about value, price, and cost. For the valuation is very important. Maybe yang first of all, the price is what you pay. What you pay is mean what is seller give a price and buyer give a money, like that. And the sample, and what you pay, that is the price. That is the price that you sell, or that you pay, like that. It is price. Its price seldom up and down about cost, because if the economic market down, maybe the price will be down, and the economic market gain, maybe the price is up, like that. The price, the cost, and what you expend. What you expend is mean the firm or the seller that expand to build or make something. Maybe that is a pure money. And the value, maybe the last is value. Value is what you get, what you get from the goods, like that. Maybe next slide will be clear and be mentioned about price, cost, and value. Okay, like the presentation in commercial transaction, a product or service is exchanged for a price between the buyer and seller. So we can say that price is the amount to be paid. The amount to be paid. That's the keywords. In order to get the products or service, there are many people who believe that price, cost, and value of a product or service are one and the same thing, but there is nothing like that. In many people, price, cost, and value is same in their brains, in their meaning, but there is nothing. That three words is different. And then cost is basically the aggregate monetary value of the input used in the production of the goods or deliveries or of service. Cost is about monetary value. Monetary value that of the input used. And conversely, value of a product or service is the utility or worth of the product or service for an individual. In valuation world, and there is opinion about value. Maybe next slide, Mr. Wayan. Okay, everybody, I will introduce about basis for comparison. There is some variable of basis for comparison. The first comparison is meaning. Price is the amount paid for acquiring any product or service. Cost is the amount incurred in producing and maintaining the product. And the last value is the utility of a good or service for a customer. The second comparison is determines price, what a company charges, and cost, what a company incurs or spend, and value, what product pays to the customer forward. And the third comparison is ascertainment. The price is ascertained from the customer or marketer's perspective. Cost is ascertained from the producer's perspective, and value is ascertained from the customer perspective. The fourth comparison is estimation. Price is drawn to pricing policy, cost through computation of expenditure, and value is drawn of usefulness. And the fifth comparison is impact of variation in market. Price of product increase or decrease, cost of input rises or fall, and value is remain unchanged. And the last, monetary measurement. Price, yes, that can be measured, monetary measurement. Cost is yes, can be monetary measurement, and value no. Maybe next slide. Okay, maybe the illustration can be described by Mr. Wayan again.
Yes, okay.
Time is
Thank you,
yours,
Mr.
Mr. Wayan.
Bayu. Okay, thank you. And then we next to the session, for example, maybe we can describe it like a bottle of mineral water. When we saw it generally in the market, maybe the price tag is about 3,500. This is we call price. It's a price where the transaction is happen between buyer and seller. And then when we see in the perspective of production, the production cost, including material, the plastic bottle, the water, and then the labor, the process to filter the water, the overhead, distribution, all of those for producing one bottle of mineral water is 3,000. This is what we call cost. This is cost for the producer, the seller. And if we see as the buyer, the cost is the same as the price, 3,500. And then if we talk about value is different through the benefit, the utilization of this bottle of mineral water. If the bottle of mineral water is bought by people in city that usually drink mineral water in this daily life, maybe he value a bottle of mineral water same as its price. It's 3,500. But if it's the mineral water is giving to people that live in village that have good water, and they don't usually buy mineral water in bottle, they maybe think that mineral water is have no value because they have that water that in the river and in the lake that they can access, so they have no scarcity of water. They think they value their opinion of a bottle of mineral water is 0. And then maybe we usually see in any tourism attraction spot or place that the price of mineral water is maybe in outside it's 3,500, but in tourism spot they can sold it by 10,000. But because we need that, we just book that, even we know that it's have a different price, cheaper price outside. And then it's happen if we are in the desert that we have not we doesn't drink water for 2 days. As we know, human can be live without drink more than 3 days. Bottle of mineral water is meaning about death of life. So for the people in this condition, it's a priceless. It's because it's about this life. This is illustration about how we differ what is price, what is cost, and why is the value can be differ in different condition. In some condition, the price, the cost, and the value can be same, but when we move in another condition, the value for the same object may be different. If we can concluding that a different value, different people can have a different different opinion about value. They have different condition, so they have different needs, different the same object maybe have a different benefit different people, and then varies from time to time. Maybe for example, when we preparing to enter the college, or we preparing to enter to be civil servant, if we have a book that to be guideline for success on civil servant test, before we have to be civil servant, it's maybe priceless for us. But after we are civil servant, that book maybe have no value for us. But for different people, another people maybe have value. And then depend on supply and demand, like before when we talk about water or an air, because in some location, some area have abundance of this resource. They are needed. They have utility, but because they are not scarce, they have no value. But some like diamond, maybe diamond, because it's scarce, it's have a value, and then differ from one place to another. Like before the example, when we value mineral water in city and desert, in tourism spot, they have different value. In source, we conclude that different market maybe makes a different value. So what is the chance for valuer is to define the right market for valuation. This is, for example, when we value an old vehicle, when we value this as antique god, maybe the market is for collector. But when we value is define it as a scrap, and then we put this on the market of scrap, they have different value. Nah, maybe that's a little material from us. Maybe this can be warming up for us to the next discussion about concept price, cost, and value. Okay, thank you. This, and then maybe any of you have any idea or any discussion about this topic?
Mr. Wayan,
Yes, Mr. Bayu.
maybe we can ask the member of the discussion to speak about price, cost, and value. How about that? First
Yes,
of
I
all,
agree.
maybe Mr. Darmawan, maybe can talk a little reason about price, cost, and value or the opinion.
Thank you, Mas Bayu. I would like to say thank you so much with this feedback. I think I would like to say thank you so much for the presentation, Mas Bayu and Mas Bayu. It was really good and it's easier for everyone to understand what is actually a price, cost, and value. And the problem is, beside this theory of those three kind of words, I'm thinking to how do we can what I mean, like, is there any ways or strategies to bring this concept into a real world situation or real world cases? So I remember yesterday discussion to Idri, we discussed about ECO, isn't it? Or KPI. It was what I call it, misperception or misunderstanding about value and valuation as a whole, and also price or transaction. Maybe many of us already knew that some people might say, oh, this is too high, right? Or most likely too high. Or in our cases, in terms of state assets utilization scheme, usually some people claims that the value is too high, so the scheme cannot be delivered. I think this is one of example misunderstanding or complication understanding between these three kind of words: cost, value, and price. So back to my question. I know that this kind of discussion also a way of strategy to introduce this concept. But in the real cases, sometimes is quite hard to give this perception or this perspective to other people. So what do you think, Swayan and Mas Bayu, to like what is the smart way or very friendly ways to introduce this concept to people that have no idea or have an intention to have no idea about these three of concepts. That's my concerns. Thank you, Mas Bayan and Mas Bayu.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Darmawan. Maybe about statement from Mr. Darmawan, there is second opinion or another opinion, maybe from Bu Indri, Mrs. Indri. Time is yours. Oh, okay. Sorry, maybe Mr. Verda Hermanto. Could you add or give some opinion about cost, price, and value in this discussion group, Mr. Verda?
Thank you, Mas Bayu. Actually, honestly, I have the same thing, the same problem that I want to ask you, Mas Bayu and Bliwayan. I was thinking how to distinguish it. I have the same question with Mas Darmawan. I realized that to introduce this concept is pretty hard, and I just thinking to how to distinguish between the concept of the three terminology, how to distinguish the price, the cost, and one more time the value itself to non-valuer. I mean, this is pretty hard. And the one thing I got from your explanation is that the value is not a fact. It's not factual thing. That's it. But I don't know the rest. Please explain to us, Mas Bayan, Mas Bayan.
Okay, maybe for the Mr. Darmawan's opinion and Mr. Verda opinion, we can discuss. First of all, maybe Mr. Wayan can answer or maybe give statement about their
Okay.
statement.
Thank you, Mr. Darmawan, Mr. Verda, Mr. Bayu. In my opinion, this phenomena, I think, yeah, this one maybe make confuse all of us about how the KPI is measured by a deviation of the value that valuer, the output of valuer with the output from management of state asset. Maybe if we can discuss a little more, I think that maybe when we valuer have do analysis and state that some object has a value 1,000, and then it sold in auction, it has been sold in 1,500. That's maybe we as a valuer, we have a full of effort to compile the data and analyze to anticipating the market. Generally, we have opinion in 1,000, and then the buyer maybe they have another type of a benefit that he could be get if we bought the object. Now maybe he appreciate the object and have a willingness to pay more than the value itself. Maybe That's because the different value for different people. But maybe we as a valuer will be keep trying to put an object of valuation in the right market that can be accepted for general buyer, for general uh, seller. That point, but in our case of KPI, that the output that valuer the value from valuer that uh, benchmark with the willingness of seller, maybe uh, another ministry or unit, it's maybe can be benchmark maybe for in my opinion, because uh, when we do evaluation, we will put ourselves in two side in market, in seller, between the seller and buyer, between the market. But when the the of the offering price from the owner of object that we value, maybe they don't really have uh, offer the price in maybe it's from itself. So I think we should be not matching that to value from valuer with offering price from the seller. Maybe it's from me, maybe another have talked about that, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Wayan, about the statement and the answer. Maybe please welcome Mr. Ari Ariona as a Director of Valuation. Maybe could you give some opinion about price, cost, and value? Time is yours, Mr. Ari Ariona.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon, sir.
ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, I just still unmute. Okay, when we talk about the value, cost, and also the price, I believe that the discussion already running well because everyone here is fully understanding about the price, cost, and uh, also the value. In my opinion, the important thing is stop when talk about the tree of terminology. We just try to fully understanding uh, the meanings of cost, value, and oh, okay, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. I just give the illustrations. You know, my hobby is relate with about meteorite, right? And then when I give 1 crown meteorite to all of you, and then I ask all of you, how about the price? How about the value? How about the uh, value, price, and cost, right? Mas Bayu, as the valuer, you can use uh, three terminology depend on the situation. First, of course, when talk about the cost, totally you just try. This is in terminology of uh, valuation, not about the harga, but the biaya is something different price, right? The price, cost, value. So in the first steps, you should know when I make this crown, of course, I just can make it now, and we can not try to calculate about like a historical value and then something that there is no in the cost approach. So, of course, when the cost is totally, we try to make calculate the whole possibility that, of course, first try to get information. Let's say the crown is 30 kilograms. 30 kilogram. I give the illustration. And then, based on the research, at least we should 3 times to need the meteorite. That means almost 100 kilograms. 100 kilogram is equal with 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So that means 100 kilogram is 100,000 grams. And then times, 1 grams in the market, meteorite is, let's say, 100,000. It's almost around that. But just general, right? So you can imagine 100,000 times 100,000, how much, Mr. Darmawan? 100.000 kali 100.000 berapa rupiah?
10 million. 10 billion.
10 billion.
Billion.
10 billion, ya. 10 billion. Itu konteks harga membuatnya, ya, biayanya 10 miliar. 10 billion. But you can imagine this crown is almost already maybe the age is 10,000 years. You can imagine 10,000 years. So when I ask you as the valuer, how much the value, and then how much the price, right? Is something different. But the cost is already, we know it. If we make it now, but we cannot, because this is heritage asset, we cannot, it's different with reproduction cost new minus with the depreciation. Of course, if already 10,000 years, you just try to minus with depreciation, is there is nothing, right? But the asset is still exists. How to make a price and then how to make the value? The value is more easier because it's something related with the everything that should be calculated by valuer that determine the value. So you just try to imagine if there is no comparison in the words. That means this is something very, very rare item in the words, but still not easy to determine the value. That's why when you talk about the value with something complicated, and then you just try to imagine everything. Because when I met with Mr. Jati a few days ago, he said that Raden Saleh, right? The painting of Raden Saleh, if I'm not mistaken, around 270 billion, ya, 270 miliar. I cannot imagine how can 270 million. There is something, maybe someone has a lot of money and then he can buy it. But I'm not sure about the actually the really the which is value or the price. But when we talk about the value, it depend on how the valuer inside give some of what we call it, like consideration. So you can imagine if we just need to make a crown with the 10 billion now, and then this is a heritage asset. How about the value? Of course, if you said below, right, below 10, how about the value? I think you can imagine, of course, it's not suitable. But when you talk about the price below 10 billion, this is possible because the price and the value is something different, right? When you talk about the price, even you already, spend a lot of money, let's say 10 billions, but when you try to selling in the market, maybe 100 million, maybe, is it? And then yes, it depends on willingness to buy, willingness to sell. That's the complexity of the when we talk about the price, value, and the cost. But the cost is something more reality because everything is miserable, right? But when you talk about the value, of course, you can imagine this is a rare item. So the value is more than the cost. The value, when you talk about the value, right? Even we cannot can make absolute value. So when I talk, yes, already made up 10,000 years ago. So when I said the value at least 1 trillion or at least 100 billion, because there is no comparison about that. Is it that makes sense? But of course, the value is just something, what we call it, like abstract about the value of the heritage asset. That's why that's why when we talk with the property is something different. That's why when we talk about the value of property is something different. When we talk everything calculate and then we already have the whole everything can miserable. That's we call it market value based on the transaction. So in this discussion, you can make the differences between the value. Inside the value, the factor then can uh, influence the value. We talk about does demand, utility, scarcity, transferability. When we talk about the scarcity, is something cannot miserable, unmeasurable. I mean, right? Let's say when we talk about how to make value about the Borobudur, of course you cannot make everyone can coming with 1,000 of value. But when we talk about the property, that based on demand, utility, and then something transferability, okay, and utility, everything is measurable. Of course, we can have the what we call it, yes, is with the small ring of the value. But the price, absolutely is just normally in the economy. When you try to make something with the cost, of course, if based on the normal situation, you don't want to selling, below with the cost, of course, right? Because you already make, let's say, something, what we call it, like make a building, the cost is 1 billion, let's say something like this, and then the price of the land, let's say 1 billion also. So the total is around 2 billion. When you want to price, But in the normally, I talked about the normally, at least you need to a profit. So that's why the price, the harga is something is you know, that the mention to everyone. But harga, when we already transaction, ya, itu apakah masih disebut harga? Ya, kalau sesuatu yang kayak baju, ya sudah transaksi harganya segini. Tapi kalau misalkan ada yang ditawar, kemudian dari harga, let's say 100.000, and then you just walk with 75.000, yang 75.000 itu apakah masih disebut dengan harga? Beda ya, harganya tadi 100, ditawar 75.000 dan dikasihkan. Apakah Anda bisa mengatakan yang 75.000 itu harga? Tidak ya. 75.000 itu adalah nilai transaksinya yang kemudian terjadi. Harga is something that already determined by someone based on the many things consideration. Ya, pada saat kita bilang tadi, saya sudah membuat sesuatu dengan harga 2 miliar, tanahnya saya dapetin 1 miliar, saya bangun rumahnya 1 miliar. Pada saat Anda menjual, kemudian harga, ini normally di atas 1 miliar. Tapi kalau Anda kemudian dikasihkan harga 750, Anda menyebutkan ke penawaran, ini dengan harga 1 miliar 750 juta, ya, below 250 dari Anda yang sudah keluarkan kos. Apakah itu harga? Yang Anda tetapkan dan itu ditawarkan, itu harga. Ya, walaupun tadi kosnya ini. Nah, value-nya, nilainya, apakah nanti seharga sama dengan cost, atau sama dengan harga, atau di atas, dan itu something different. Makanya kalau memahami between the price, cost, and value as the valuer, itu betul-betul menilai sesuatu. Makanya ada dikatakan hotel already the cost 100 billion, 100 miliar. Tetapi faktanya hanya bisa dijual, ya, nilai transaksinya itu adalah 10 miliar. Ya, harganya pasti pada saat menawarkan sudah pasti. Pada saat dia menawarkan, let's say dia start pertimbangkan di atas 100, atau bahkan dari awal dia sudah memberikan harga, bahkan katakanlah 15 miliar. Kenapa seperti itu? Karena dia sudah memahami, ini properti hotel di tengah tempat yang sangat terpencil, siapapun yang akan mengusahakan itu sangat sulit untuk mendapatkan keuntungan. Ini yang pernah saya contoh dan itu fakta. Dan itu terjadi. Ya, dia kasih harga 15, transaksinya terjadi 10. Secara value bisa jadi Anda menilai secara value, maka nilainya misalkan hanya 5 juta, 5 miliar maksud saya, misalkan secara value. Karena Anda sudah menghitung dengan pertimbangan apapun is connected with the value, ya percuma mau bangunan sebagus apapun, Anda mau tinggal di tengah hutan sendirian, di situ biayanya sangat tinggi dan lain sebagainya. Yang disebut dengan demand-nya tadi, permintaannya nyaris zero. Ya, jadi begitu kompleks city dalam memahami between cost, value, and the price. Tapi price itu adalah something yang sudah ditentukan untuk dilepas ke pasar, itu price, harga. Ya, pada saat katakanlah ke publik, dia sebut harga. Sebelum itu ditawarkan secara umum, everyone in the market can buy it, itu belum disebut harga. Tapi harga, saya katakan meteorit saya, mahkota saya kasih harga, walaupun saya tadi bilang biaya membuatnya saja belum mempertimbangkan sentimental value or heritage value-nya atau nilai-nilai lainnya. Saya butuh duit nih, saya kasih harga 20 juta aja deh, karena saya butuh duit. Harga, tetapi harga ini adalah dibuat oleh orang yang memang akan menjual, itu harga. Ya, harga. Tapi the value of course, yang tadi saya bilang, segala sesuatu yang berkaitan dengan ini dan pertimbangan-pertimbangannya, semakin unmeasurable-nya semakin tinggi, semakin kemungkinannya itu value-nya bisa saja sangat tinggi. Tetapi dari biaya itu pasti sudah terukur untuk yang saat ini. Tapi kalau didepresiasikan karena itu barang bersejarah, itu tidak pas. Ya, karena kalau sudah 10.000 tahun secara ini usianya mau depresiasinya bagaimana? Nggak akan sesuai dengan biaya tadi. Berapa ribu persen itu sudah kalau Anda akan mau hitungan itu. Ya, I talk in my explanation, everyone here can fully understanding and can explain everything based on value, price, and the value. Okay, thank you, Mas Bayu.
Thank you so much of the speech, Mr. Director. Maybe before we answer to Mr. Wayan, I want to hear some opinion from Mr. Tony from KPKNL Tasikmalaya.
Ya.
Time is yours, Mr. Tony. Maybe you could say something about price, cost, and value. Thank you.
Ya, oke, silakan. Ini juga ada nanti Mas Catur ya dari Cirebon, terus ada Pak Murtaji dari Social Trabar. Ini kita kasih kesempatan everyone, also from Tarakan, nanti Mbak Zaila, nggak apa-apa ya. Say something relate with the opinions, is okay. Setuju, tidak setuju. Ini namanya diskusi itu seperti ini ya. We just discussion. So we also try to train the ability of us in here for the public speaking. That's why I just try to speak something. Okay. Please.
Maybe Mr. Tony, could you say something about price, cost, and value? Or maybe there is interconnection?
Tidak hanya selalu about the price, value, dan harga ya. Misalkan mau bicara apa saja boleh deh. Bebas deh. Ini
Maybe
Pak Direktur,
Mr.
jadi bebas.
Mesino.
Okay.
Mesino Purnawan.
From?
Time is yours.
Mas Mesino from where?
Thank you, Mr. Wayan. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Mas Mesino.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
I'm sorry because I didn't get the full picture actually because I just jumped in because I just finished a meeting with my regional office regarding the DKO, but I have some opinion regarding the interconnection between the price, the cost, and the value that I actually experienced when I conduct my duty here in Kabupaten Gorontalo.
Oh, Gorontalo.
So,
I see, Gorontalo.
Kabupaten Gorontalo, sir.
Yes.
So, during my duty here, some people eventually accept these three points as the same things because they said the price, the value, and what's the one thing, the price and value and the
Cost.
the cost. Oh yeah, sorry. The cost is one thing, and they assume that to get the number of money that appoint these three things is using the same methods, and that's is the major experience that I have when I talk with several people in here, and I think it should be make a very clear statement about these 3 points for the people outside the valuer communities, so that when we make some reports regarding the valuation they can accept, and also have a deeper understanding regarding what we do when we make or conduct the valuation activities. Maybe that's one point from my experience. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Mas Mayan.
Okay, thank you so much, Mas Seno from Gorontalo. Mas Bayu, I think Mas
Yeah,
Catur
yeah.
already yes on
Ready, sir.
the camera. So Mas Catur Nugraha from Cirebon, can you say something, Mas Catur?
Okay. Time is yours, Mr. Catur Nugraha from KPKN Cirebon.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, I'm not turning on the camera because the connection is unstable.
Yes.
A
But at least I
little.
just already look at your camera, even just 1 minute maybe. Okay.
Okay. Discussing about cost, price, and value. I remember the describe from Peter White that he says that the description is almost same as the Pak Arik already described. That talking about the cost is the amount of resources or money we spend to acquire the things. And about the price and the cost and the value, Peter White described that when we build something like property like hotel, maybe the cost is, let me say, 100 billion. If we build in the center of the city, the cost is still 100 billion, and if we build in the middle of desert, maybe the desert Gurun Pasir, maybe the cost is the same, almost the same, 100 billion, but the value will be different because there is no what demand and demand.
There is
So,
no supply, and I think there is no
supply and demand, because so talking about the value is we're talking about the supply and demand.
Even 1 glass of water, if he really need the water, right? He can buy with the 1 million because he very rich person, right, Mas Catur, in the desert, in the middle of desert.
Correct.
Right?
So it's value is talking about the supply and demand itself. And furthermore, Parik, maybe I want also to discuss maybe a little bit out of topic, but we're talking about the bubble price or bubble economic.
Yeah.
Is it driven by the price or the cost or the value? Because we know that experiencing in 2008 in America, the price of the house is increasing at the all-time high, and then bubble, then the price is jumping
low.
Very low. Yes.
Yeah.
What is the let me say the valuation is based on the price and of the market. When the market is increasingly high, the valuation also, what we call it, still keeping up with the price of the market, but we don't know when the market is overpriced or something like that. How do we know that this price of the market is overpriced or something? We can maybe also compare to the land in the surrounding of the IKN, the Ibu Kota Baru. Previously, I worked in KPKNL Samarinda, and before the appointment of the IKN in Samboja, the price is not too high, but after the appointment of the Samboja, so the price of the property, especially land in there, has increasingly hike up to maybe more than 300% of the.
Yeah.
I think this phenomena is also interesting to discuss it. What is the actually the price or the value actually for this? Because sometimes yes, because maybe there is Indonesia we call opportunist ya Pak ya. Cari untung, mumpung aji mumpung. How can we separate this with really price, or maybe the seller is only aji mumpung? In my in this area Cirebon is Majalengka is the wilayah KPKNL Cirebon juga. There is also development of airport, the BIJB airport, and the land surrounding this area also increasing highly, and sometimes I don't know whether it's really the price or it's just only aji mumpung.
Because actually when let's say the people, when let's say about your area with the airport, right? When someone to offering the price of their land is not based on the what we call it like report valuation, right? They just think, okay, I will try to sell, let's say 5 million per meters. Before about the will build about the airport, maybe only just let's say 400,000 something per meter. So they try to just trial and error first, and when someone will take the risk, then they think, okay, 5 million, I think in my opinion is quite reasonable. Or Mas Catur, when we talk about the Mandalika, right? When we talk about the Mandalika, when we make the circuit in the Mandalika, you can imagine before this, before we build the Mandalika, so around the surrounding the area, the price of the lands maybe right below 200,000 per meter or below 100,000 per meter, but you can imagine now it's already more than maybe 3 million per meter around the circuit. So you can imagine, right? This is the condition. Okay, you can continue.
Okay, I think yes, there is talking about cost, price, and values is very complex, but I think the very what the different distinguish maybe that the value is the one key point is that supply and demands, and the price is maybe depend on supply and demand, but a little bit more subjective maybe, because the price it comes from the seller, and the seller maybe have opportunistic kecenderungan untuk opportunis.
Yes, there's tendency, right?
Yes, tendency.
Okay.
And the cost is maybe depend on the expend or amount of resources or price that expend to acquire something. Maybe that to distinguish that three concept. Mohon maaf kalau mungkin I'm sorry if maybe with my little knowledge.
But very interesting about your opinion. Thank you so much, Mas Catur. Keren. Okay. Mas Bayu, I think also Mbak Saila from Tarakan, maybe.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Catur Rudra from KPKNL Cirebon. Maybe next session is to Miss Saila from KPKNL Tarakan. time is yours, Miss Saila.
Mbak Saila. Mbak Saila mungkin
Maybe
tidak
there is
di tempat.
extinguished. And maybe
Kalau enggak,
Mr. Murtaji from
Mr. Murtaji ya.
Social Traber. Good afternoon, Mr. Murtaji.
Penilai media kita. Saudara Murtaji, Pak Murtaji, halo. Sedang sholat kah Pak Murtaji?
Yes, maybe
sedang sholat.
Yes, praying.
Praying, okay.
Maybe I want to ask something about price, cost, and value. Maybe if there is no question or there is no statement about price, cost, and value, in my opinion, and maybe there is some opinion, price, cost, and value can be connected to three approaches: market approaches, cost approaches, and income approaches. For the example, for the market approaches, we use value, and for a value of price, and for the price cost approaches, we use cost, and then the result from the analysis three approaches can be concluded that value is can be the result. Is that statement is true, sir? Maybe I want to ask and discussion about the connection or the related about three approach just for of valuation and the three kinds of statement, the implementation.
Yes. Actually, even we using the three methods or three approach, which is income approach, and then cost approach, and also market approach. Every method is try to get or to determine about the value, right? The value of property. Let's say when we talk about the property hotel, right? Hotel actually we can use the cost approach and then income approach and also market approach, right? Even some of people or some of valuers said that it's not suitable to use market approach for the hotel, but in the some of condition, if we have a lot of data, is it possible for that? But of course, the data is what we call it equivalent. So everything try to find the value first. We already understanding the value is everything using art and science, and then involving the sum of factors that determine the value. Many factors. That's why we call it the value. And then when we talk about the price, it depend on us. I mean the seller, the owner, because the price is depend on the owner, which is using the value as the price or try to below the value. It doesn't matter because the owner said, okay, I want to sell this property with the price, let's say X rupiah. But the cost, of course, already cost, just cost, not as the method, right? It's different. Cost as the method, like try to determine the value with the totally cost biaya is something different. As the value, you can to determine about these two terminology. Cost methods also try to what we call that let's say why in the cost method there is land and building. when we talk about the hotel, right? So you just, but we try to bicara biaya saja, ya sudah, berapa yang dikeluarkan untuk biaya itu saja. Ya, itu yang berbeda, makanya nggak berbeda. Nah, nanti dalam hal ini kalau kita sepakatnya adalah metode-metode tadi digunakan untuk mencari nilai, bisa menggunakan 3 metode. Tapi yang dicari adalah nilainya. Anda bisa mencari di situ. Makanya di sini Anda jangan lupa. Nah, ini kesempatannya diskusi ini di sini. When I many opportunity, I explain about this. When you try to about the what we call it depreciation, right? The cost, Anda cuma mengenal istilah kalau pendekatan biaya itu sudah fisik saja. Tapi kalau mencari value, Anda bisa menggunakan depresiasinya adalah keusangan obsolete function, obsolete economics. Itu adalah mencari value. Tapi kalau murni kita hanya biaya saja, kita tidak mempertimbangkan itu. Itu perbedaannya teman-teman. Ya, makanya bagaimana kita memahami semua ini adalah bergantung pada posisi kita sebagai penilai dalam memaknai ini semua. Makanya murni untuk bicara harga sudah tergantung dia mau tetapkan berapa harganya. Mau harganya rugi, mau untung, mau apa ya sudah itu harga. Karena kita sudah kasih tahu ini nilainya segini loh. Ya, makanya tadi dikatakan kalau bicara harga yang di pasar market normal, orang itu ada dalam prinsip penilaian namanya substitution function, nilai substitusi, bahwa orang tidak akan membeli untuk benda yang sama lebih mahal. Itu prinsip dalam penilaian. Ya. Karena sudah ada, makanya itulah terciptanya market price itu sebenarnya sejatinya itu. Ya, itu saya rasa bisa menjawab ya, Mas Bayu ya.
Thank you, sir.
Connectivity antar metode pendekatan dengan memahami yang murni di luar itu. Oke, saya rasa kalau memang teman-teman sudah tidak ada pertanyaan ini tadi sudah berapa lama tadi kita?
Until paspor ya.
Jam berapa tadi mulainya?
15.00 Pak.
15 jam. Sudah 1,5 jam ya. Jadi saya gunakan ini kesempatan untuk terkait dengan ini. Pertama, I give applause and appreciation to Bliwayan ya. Already as the narasumber, as the what we call that the speaker in this TVD, and also Mas Bayu as the moderator. Ya, saya ucapkan juga applause. Terima kasih. I just try to reminding all of you, especially the participants, that the philosophy of this group just reminding, right? The whole participant is try to explore your ability, your knowledge in the public speaking also, and also relate with our profession as the valuer. That's why just try to speak up with your opinions, everything is without any doubtfully, right? So I hope in the next events related with the DVD, just raise your hands anytime, and then you just try to ask the speaker, and then so the discuss is, I think the most important of our aims in this group. So just my reminding to all of us, and please, you know, everyone here, try improve your English, try improve your knowledge related with the asset management also, and valuation with the tagline "Go Global, Go Stronger." So when everyone here can speak English without any doubtfully, any worry to make a mistakes, everything, that's our aims, and I believe all of you can do it well. Thank you so much for your participation, your attention, your collaboration, and of course about your motivation also. Thank you so much. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Director. Thank you so much for the statement and lesson from Mr. Ari Aryono. And now we can conclude about the price is the amount to be paid in order to get the product or service, and the cost is basically to aggregate the monetary value of input used in the production of the goods or the very set of service. And value is a product or service is the utility or root of the product or service for an individual. Maybe we can conclude that statement, and the time is to Miss Maswa Marifa. I listen to Miss
Sorry, I
Marifa.
also thanks to Mbak Maswa. Okay, I forget it. Thank you, Mbak Maswa.
Yes, Pak. You're welcome, Pak. Thank you, Pak Arik, for delivering the closing statement. Also, thank you for Mas Bayu and Mas Wayan for guiding today's discussion. Okay, dear friend and college, with the conclusion that have been delivered by Mas Bayu and Mas Wayan, the TVD group discussion session end in this time. On behalf of all the committee and all college behind the screen, we do apologize if there is any mistake or something that make uncomfortable during this session. We're looking forward to see you in the future event. Stay safe and stay healthy. I'm Maswatul Ma'rifah, signing off. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Buah pepaya. Jangan lupa sama daku ya. Oke, thank you.
Cakep, siapa?
Oke, izin dulu ya.
Thank you,
Thank you, Pak. Thank you, Pak Arik.